Introducing the multi-function folding storage box, a health-conscious organizer vital for daily routines and fostering a healthy environment. Crafted with safe materials, it ensures a clean space, free from harmful elements. The stackable design maximizes space, promoting a calm atmosphere. Versatile for storing health essentials, it's ideal for dorms, fostering an organized, stress-free environment that positively impacts mental well-being. Invest in the multifunction folding storage box for a healthier, more organized lifestyle. A vanity makeup organizer is perfect for safeguarding delicate beauty products, preventing damage or loss. With the ease of items gathering dirt and dust, storing them away is crucial. This ensures their cleanliness and longevity, maintaining a pristine condition for your beauty essentials. The rotating makeup brush organizer is a reliable protector for your face and skin. With a highlight dust cover design, it's dust and waterproof, ensuring your skin's safety. The independent 5-point grid design, along with its super belly, allows easy installation on your makeup table, shielding you from dust. In the bathroom, it safeguards your beauty and prevents mold at all times. The tissue box with cosmetic organizer features high-quality plastic construction for durability with 3 compartments catering to diverse storage needs. It includes an integrated tissue box holder for added convenience, offering versatile applications in both home and office settings. Efficient organization spans stationery, jewelry, makeup, and more, enhancing aesthetics while maintaining a clutter-free environment. Maximize your closet space with these magic pants hangers. Each 5-tier hanger can hold up to 5 jeans or trousers, and the open-ended design makes it easy to access your clothes. Made with a sturdy metal frame and a 100% quality guarantee, these hangers are a must-have for organization enthusiasts. This 5-in-1 pants hanger keeps your pants clean and tidy, saving more space. Plastic storage bins offer a perfect solution, serving as effective organizers for your home. These bins not only make your life a little easier but also enhance comfort. With the added convenience of double doors, they provide flexible placement options, ensuring efficient and adaptable storage solutions for a clutter-free living space. The Aufworld magnetic spice rack for refrigerator is a versatile kitchen organization solution. The set comprises 2 shelves and an 8-hook rack, featuring a super magnetic design for robust load-bearing capacity. Easy installation and rounded corners ensure safety, making these multi-use magnetic shelves ideal for holding spices, utensils, and more on various magnetic surfaces. Introducing a movable portable grill table, a versatile solution for griddles and pizza ovens. With a convenient carrying handle, collapsible design, and quick setup, this barbecue cart is perfect for on-the-go outdoor cooking. Equipped with wheels for easy movement and a high-quality load-bearing capacity of up to 300 pounds, it's an ideal choice for your next barbecue party.